Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make editable can mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the can. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now turn off the layer just for now. Pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the can size and change its color as per your need. I'm going with white, and now convert it into smart object, and now select the pixels of the can that you copied, and now select the rectangle layer and add a layer mask, and now double click on smart object icon and place the design. Go to file, place embedded and import the design, and delete the first layer. We don't need that anymore. Press Ctrl S to save and close that tab. And now turn on the duplicate layer of the can and duplicate that for 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And name the first one like highlight 1, and name the 2 to highlight 2, and third one 2, 3, and fourth one. And now select all and create a clipping mask. And now select the first highlight layer and change that blend mode to overlay and reduce the fill to 50%. And now select the second one and change that blend mode to color burn and fill to 30%. And for the third one, select screen and change the fill to 20%. And for the last one, change that blend mode to multiply and change the fill to 60%. There is a little bit problem, so select layer mask and pick a brush and remove that extra part. And we are done. And now if you want to change the image, so you just click on smart object icon, go to file, place embedded. I'm selecting both of them and select the design, second design, and place it and transform it and hit OK. Press Ctrl S to save and close this tab, and see second design is added. And if you still want to change it, double click on smart object icon again and go to file, place embedded and select the design. I'm selecting third design, transform it, hit OK. Press Ctrl S to save and close this tab, and see third design is also added. And see how we can easily make editable can mockup. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.